and a few suitors. Humpbacks are an endangered species,
we're staying
protected
at,
by the federal and Hawaii.
Waikoloa? Not Waikoloa. The Westin.
Westin, Kanapali.
Kanapali.
So right next to it is my favorite place to eat in the whole island. It's called the Fish Market.
Yes, that's on our list.
Yeah, absolutely.
State law. There are estimated to be about 10,000 humpbacks in the North Pacific. Although Maui's humpbacks face many dangers
look like when the
due to
whales are coming
pollution,
through?
high-speed commercial vessels,
They're
and
splashing out of the water. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
The
You gotta
numbers
come next
have
time,
increased rapidly
Yeah.
in recent years.
There's a 300 Alpha Elephant switching.
8 Hotel Whiskey, offshore Civic Center, 1500.
Buddy. Look at that. Right down there is a parasail.
They're only allowed to operate when the whales aren't here.
Rain showers are very common. While some of these are very heavy, the vast majority are light and brief.
See that down there, sweetie?
Even the heaviest rain showers are seldom accompanied by thunder and lightning.
She's taking pictures.
Yeah.